Hello everyone, good day to you all. In today's session, let us discuss how to find solution for a pair of linear equations in two variables using substitution method. I have taken one example. Solve 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 by using substitution method. So what are the two equation, children? 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0 and one more equation 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Now these two, a pair of linear equations in two variables, already it is in the standard form of a pair of a linear equations in two variables. Now what we have to do? So 2x plus y equal to 6. I'll call this equation as 1. So minus 6 I have transposed to right hand side and now I'll call that equation as 1. Similarly, second equation 4x minus 2y equal to minus 4. I'll transpose to right hand side. It becomes plus 4. And now I'll call this equation as 2. Now we have to take any one of the equation, either 1 you can take or equation 2 you can take, any one of the equation you have to take. Now let me take equation 1. So equation 1, 2x plus y equal to 6. Now any one of the variable you have to keep left hand side, then everything or next one more variable you have to transpose to right hand side. Now what I'll do? Now I'll keep y variable left hand side only and I'll transpose this plus 2x to right hand side. It becomes minus 2x. Now y equal to 6 minus 2x. Now we have to substitute this y equal to 6 minus 2x in equation 2. Already we have taken first equation. This is our first equation. Now y value we have to substitute in equation 2. Let us substitute y equal to 6 minus 2x in equation 2. Substitute y equal to 6 minus 2x in equation 2. Don't substitute in one again, same equation, children. Substitute in second equation. What happens? 4x minus 2y equal to 4. This is our second equation. Now 4x write as it is minus 2. Y value is now in place of y you have to substitute 6 minus 2x equal to 4. In place of y you have to substitute 6 minus 2x. Next step 4x minus, let us simplify, 2 6 12 minus of minus plus 2 2 4x equal to 4. Now here 4x plus 4x 8x minus 12 you transpose to right hand side. It becomes 4 plus 12. So 8x equal to 4 plus 12, it is 16. Now x value is 16 divided by 8. 8 if you transpose to right hand side, it becomes divided by 8. So x value is 8 1 8, 8 2 16. So x value is 2. Now we have to find y value. So what I'll do? X value we got. Now we need to find out y value. Now substitute. Now I'll call this equation as 3. Substitute x is equal to 2 in equation 3. What is the equation 3? Y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Let us substitute, children. Y value is 6 minus 2 into x value is 2. Y value is 6 minus 2 2 4. Y value is 6 minus 4. It is 2. So what is the solution of a pair of linear equations in two variables? 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. X value is 2 and y value is 2. Let me write the conclusion. Therefore, x value is 2 and y value is 2. Now you can verify whether your answer is correct or not. How to verify, children? So what is the x value? It is 2, and y value also 2. Now we have to substitute any one of the equation 1 or equation 2. Let us substitute here 2. X value, in place of x you substitute 2. 2 2 is 4. What is the value y? It is 2. So 4 plus 2, yes, it is 6. Next, again in second equation also you can substitute x is equal to 2, 4 2 is 8 minus 2 into 2, 8 minus 4, it is 4. We are getting LHS is equal to RHS. So your answer is correct. Let us discuss how to find a solution for a pair of linear equations in two variables by using elimination method. I have taken same example, 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0, and one more pair of linear equation, it is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Now we have to solve 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. These two pair of linear equations in two variables by using elimination method. Let us solve it. What are the two given pair of equations, children? So 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0, and one more linear equation, it is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Now first linear equation, let me write it as 2x plus y equal to minus 6, I will transpose to right hand side, it becomes 0 plus 6, so it is plus 6 only. Next, second equation, let me write it as 4x minus 2y equal to minus 4, if you transpose to right hand side, it becomes plus 4. Now first linear equation, let me call this as equation 1, and second linear equation, let me call that as equation 2. Now you have to see that coefficient of x is here 2. Now coefficient of x is 4. Now here coefficient of y is 1 and coefficient of y is minus 2. Now what we have to do? Now we have to make the coefficient of either x or y as equal to eliminate. So now what I'll do? Now I'll make the coefficient of x as equal. So what I'll do? What is the coefficient of x is here? It is 2. Now this 2 I'll multiply for that equation 2. Now what is the coefficient of x in the second linear equation? It is 4. Now this 4 I have to multiply for equation 1. Now let us multiply and write next step. 4 2s are 8x plus 4 into y, 4y equal to 4 into 6, 24. Same way multiply for second equation also by 2. 2 into 4, 8x. 2 2s are minus 4y equal to 2 4s are 8. Now I'll call this equation 3 and this as equation 4. Now we have to subtract equation 4 from equation 3. Equation 3 minus equation 4. So let us change the sign, children. Here plus 8 is there. Let me change the sign as minus. Here minus 4y is there. Let me write it as plus. And plus 8, let me write it as minus. Now plus 8x minus 8x. The sign which one you have changed, no, that one you have to consider next. Plus 8x minus 8x get cancelled. Plus 4y plus 8y equal to 24 minus 8, it is 16. So y value is 16 divided by 8. Y value is 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Y value is 2. Now we got y value. Now we have to find out x value. So now substitute y equal to 2 in equation 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Any one of the equation you can substitute, children. Let me substitute y equal to 2 in equation 1. What is the equation 1? 2x plus y equal to 6. Now 2 into x plus y value you have to substitute in place of y. So y value is 2 equal to 6. 2x equal to 6 plus 2 you transpose to right hand side, it becomes minus 2. 2x is equal to 6 minus 2, it is 4. Now x value is 4 divided by 2. So x value is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So what is the x value we got? X is equal to 2. So from what is the solution for the equations? 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. We got x is equal to, therefore what is the solution of a pair of linear equations in two variables? X is equal to 2 and y also 2. Now we can verify whether your answer is correct or not. How to verify your answer, children? So substitute x value is 2 and y is equal to 2, any one of the equations. So let us substitute in equation 1, 2 into x value is 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus y value is 2, 4 plus 2 is 6. LHS is equal to RHS you are getting, so your answer is correct. You can substitute in second equation also. 4 into x, 4 2s are 8 minus 2 into 2. 4. 8 minus 4 is, it is 4. So your answer is correct. Like that you can verify your answer. Let us discuss how to find the solution for a pair of linear equations in two variables by using cross multiplication method. Solve 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0 and one more linear equation 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 by using cross multiplication method. What are the given pair of linear equation, children? One is 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0 and one more linear equation, it is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. By comparing these pair of linear equations with the standard form or general form of a pair of linear equations in two variables, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, we get a1 equal to coefficient of x, it is 2, b1 equal to coefficient of y, it is 1 and c1 it is constant, it is minus 6. Similarly, A2 is coefficient of x in second linear equation, it is 4, B2 equal to minus 2 and C2 equal to minus 4. Now we can find the solution of this pair of linear equations in two variables by cross multiplication method. The solution you can write like this: 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1 equal to x divided by B1 C2 minus B2 C1 equal to y divided by C1 A2 minus C2 A1. This is a solution, children. How to remember, children? So you write like this. You write 1 x and y you write like this. Below that 1 you write A1, A2, B1, B2 you write. Below x you write C1, C2. Let it go in a cyclic order. A, B, C. After C again you write. Below that y you write A1 by A2. Now 1 divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1 equal to x divided by B1 C2 minus B2 C1 equal to y divided by C1 A2 minus C2 A1. Now to find x value we have to take 1 divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1 equal to x divided by B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Now to find x value. So what we have to take? We have to take 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1 equal to x divided by B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Now just substitute the values. 1, A1 value is 2, B2 value is minus 2 minus A2 value it is 4, B1 value it is 1 equal to x divided by B1 value is 1, C2 value substitute it is minus 4 minus B2, write in a bracket, children, minus 2 into C1 value is minus 6. So let us simplify. 1 divided by 2 into minus 2, it is minus 4, minus 4 ones are 4. Let us simplify right hand side. X divided by 1 into minus 4, minus 4, minus 2 into minus 6, it is plus 12. So let me write here, children. So 1 by minus 4 minus 8 equal to x divided by minus 4 minus 12, it is minus 16. Now do cross multiplication. X into minus 8, minus 8x equal to 1 into minus 16, it is minus 16. So minus minus get cancelled. X value is 16 divided by 8. X value is 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. X value, it is 2. To find y value, we have to take 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 equal to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1. Let us substitute the value, children. 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, already we have calculated and we got answer as minus 1 by 8. Let us write as it is. 1 by minus 8 equal to, no need to simplify once again, equal to y divided by c1 a2. c1 value is minus 6 into a2. a2 value is 4 minus C2 value is minus 4 into A1 value is 2. Let us simplify. 1 by minus 8 equal to y divided by minus 6 into 4 minus 24, minus of minus plus 4 twos are 8. Next step, let me write here, children. So 1 by minus 8 equal to y divided by minus 24 plus 8, it is minus 16. Now do cross multiplication. Minus 8 into y equal to minus 16 into 1. So y value is 16 divided by minus 16 divided by minus 8. Now minus minus get cancelled. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So y value you will get 2. Now, what is the solution, children? From solution is x value is 2, even y value also 2. This is a solution of this pair of linear equation. 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Let us discuss how to find a solution for a pair of linear equations in two variables by graphical method. Now I have taken question as solve 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0 and one more linear equation in two variable, that is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 by using graphical method. One linear equation in two variable, it is 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0 and one more linear equations in two variable, it is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Now here first equation, I'll keep left hand side only y variable and I'll transpose 2x and constant to the right hand side. So if I transpose constant minus 6 to right hand side, it becomes plus 6 and plus 2x, if I transpose to right hand side, it becomes minus 2x. Now y equal to 6 minus 2x. Now let us simplify second equation. Minus 2y, first I'll transpose to right hand side, it becomes plus 2y. Left hand side I'll write 4x minus 4 as it is. Now y value is 4x minus 4 into 2. If you transpose to left hand side, it becomes divided by 2. Now same thing, I'll write it as y equal to 4x minus 4 divided by 2. Now we have to draw the table for these two equations. Now first column we have to write x, y and x comma y. X value, let me take it as 1, 2, 3. Same thing here also write down, children, x, y, x comma y, x coordinate and y coordinate. So let us take x value as 1, 2 and 3. Same values let me take here. Now when x is equal to 1, when x is equal to 1, y value is, now substitute in this equation children, 6 minus 2x. 6 minus 2 into, in place of x you substitute 1. So y value is 6 minus 2. So 6 minus 2 is 4. When x is equal to 1, y value is 4. Next, when x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 2, what is the y value children? Y equal to 6 minus 2 into, in place of x you substitute 2. That is 6 minus 2 2 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now when x is equal to 3, y value is 6 minus 2 into 3. 2 into 3 it is 6. 6 minus 6 value is 0. So let us write x and y coordinates. When x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 4. When x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is also 2. And x coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 0. Same thing, let us work out here. When x is equal to 1, y value is, substitute in this equation children, 4x minus 4 divided by 2. Y value is, in place of x you have to substitute 1. 4 into 1 minus 4 divided by 2. So y value is 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 4 divided by 2. So y value is 0 divided by 2. That implies y value is 0. So when x is equal to 1, y value is 0. Now similarly work out when x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, y value is, in place of x you have to substitute 2. 4 into 2 minus 4 divided by 2. So y value is 4 2 is 8. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 divided by 2. So y value is 4 divided by 2. That implies y value is 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So when x is equal to 2, y coordinate also it is 2. Now similarly you work out when x is equal to 3. So what happens? Y value 4 into 3 is 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 divided by 2, it is 4. When x coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 4. You write the coordinates 3, 4. Now we have to plot graph for these two equations. Draw a horizontal line as x axis, x and x dash, and vertical line as y and y dash. Where the two axes will intersect, it is the origin of the axis, you name that as O. Now locate the points 1, 2, 3, 4. Positive y axis 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative x axis minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Negative y axis minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now we have to write scale. X axis 1 centimeter equal to, we have taken 1 centimeter as 1 unit. Y axis 1 centimeter equal to, even y axis also we have taken 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Now we have to locate the points. First equation you see, when x is equal to 1, y coordinate is 4. Whereas x coordinate is here, y coordinate is 4. So let us locate the point here. This point is 1, 4. Next, when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, y value also it is 2. It comes here children. So it is 2, 2. Next, when x is equal to 3, y coordinate is 0. When x is equal to 3, y coordinate is 0. So points lies on x axis. So here 3, 0. Now we have to join these 3 points and extend the line children. This graph represents 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Similarly, let us locate the points for y equal to 4x minus 4 by 2. So when x is equal to 1, y coordinate is 0. When x is equal to 1, y coordinate is 0. So the point lies on x axis. This is 1, 0. Next, when x is equal to 2, y coordinate is also 2. So the point comes here, same point it will come. And next, when x is equal to 3, y value is 4. When x is equal to 3, y value is 4. So the point comes here. You have to plot in a graph sheet, children. So it is 3, 4. Now we have to join these 3 points. Always you will get a straight line only, children. All the points lies on a straight line only. This graph represents second linear equations in two variables, that is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Where the two lines will intersect, the two lines are intersecting at point 2, 2. This is a solution of a pair of linear equations by using graphical method. So from the graph we got x value is 2 and y value also 2. So you can write the conclusion, children. From the graph, x value is 2, even y value also 2. Now I will show you how to plot the same graph using graph paper. This is your graph book, children. Right side of your graph sheet I have written the question and I have done the calculation which one I have done on the board. Now let us start to plot the graph. First we have to draw a horizontal line. And name the line as x and negative x-axis, that is x dash, and draw a vertical line positive y-axis and this is negative y-axis y dash. Now we have to locate the points where the two axes will meet, that is origin of the axis and the coordinates of the origin are 0, 0. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is also 0. Now locate the points. And positive y axis. So let me write the scale here. Scale x axis 1 centimeter equal to, we have taken 1 unit. Same y-axis 1 centimeter, let us take 1 unit. This is negative x-axis, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. That's enough, children. This is the negative y-axis, minus 1, minus 2, this point is minus 3, now let us start to plot the points. When x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 4. X coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 4. The points comes here. So the coordinates of this point are 1, 4. Now when x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is also 2. When x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is also 2. The coordinates of these points are 2, 2. And when x is equal to 3, y coordinate is 0. So the point lies on x axis. The coordinates are 3, 0. Now we have to join these 3 point, children, and extend the graph. and this line represents 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. You are getting one straight line. Similarly, again let us start to plot the graph for linear equation 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. When x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 0, then point lies on x-axis. This point is, coordinates of these points are 1, 0. Next, when x is equal to 2, y coordinate is also 2. So the point lies here. Already we have written coordinates of these points are 2, 2. When x coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 4. When x coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 4. The point lies here. So name the coordinates of this point 3, 4. Now we have to join these 3 points. And extend the line. And this graph represents 4x minus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. Where the two lines were intersecting, that is a solution of the linear pair of equations in two variables. Where the two lines are intersecting, children, at a point 2, 2. So what is your conclusion? So write the conclusion here. From the graph, therefore, from the graph we get, what is the x coordinate? X coordinate is 2. So x value is 2 and y value is 2. This is all about for today's session. In my next video, let us start to solve exercise problems. Thank you.